love Hakka。
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it is time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是林泽超。I am Joseph Lin along with Alice. This month we're teaching you the phrase 紧张 or nervous.
紧张。
紧张。当然在学校的时候考试会紧张，出了社会可能面试会紧张，想要开车
也会紧张，车辆那么多。
台湾真的开车是要有那个很多压力的哦，
胆子也要大。
可是大家开车技术真的还不错，
但是必须要有驾照。
对，我要讲的就是说，就是要考驾照又会紧张一次。
对，
尤其现在以前只是在考场里面考就好了，现在还要实际
道路驾
驶。对一个新手来讲的话，不是那么容易，可能会很紧张哦。So let's put you in a situation where someone is about to get their driver's license test and they're feeling maybe a little bit nervous or maybe not. Let's hear it.
我下晝要去考駕駛執照，
唔可以啦，意思咧都唔會緊張，
因為我已經準備好了。
這個人聽起來蠻有信心哦。
準備好了，
準備好了，他準備好了，
準備好了，
所以不太緊張就對了。
對，有信心呢。
沒錯沒錯，有在練習的話，那當然哦，就不用太緊張了。對，好，我們來一句一句來教 ，OK？ 第一句，我下午要考駕照。This afternoon, I am gonna get my driver's license test.
我下晝要去考駕駛執照。
考駕駛執照 ，OK？所以這個執照就是執照，然後駕駛執照就是駕駛執照 ，OK？What kind of license? A driver's license. There you go. The other party says, "You don't look nervous at all. 你看起來一點都不緊張。
看起來，一時咧都唔會緊張。
You don't look nervous at all. And that is because the person is well prepared. 因為我已經準備好了。
因為我已經準備好了。
Very, very good. Well, let's go ahead and teach you some of these vocabulary we brought up again. And 駕照, driver's license.
駕駛執照.
Okay, and then 一點點.
一時咧.
That means a little bit. And then finally, to prepare, 準備.
準備.
Okay, that's 準備, to prepare. Let's hear the conversation again.
我下晝要去考駕駛執照。
唔可以啦，意思咧都唔會緊張，
因為我已經準備好了。
And there you have it, another edition talking about being nervous, 緊張. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
是母太家。
俺子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.